Your destination is on the right.
Hello again, my friends. This is Tyler West with Franklin West Real Estate on premiers.co doing another video walkthrough for y'all right here in Fair Oaks. This is a 2,600 square foot, 4-bedroom, 4-bath property sitting on about 0.22 acres, nestled here on a lovely court in Fair Oaks. This is a 2-story house with a 3-car garage built on 0.22 acres with a pool, and in a moment I'm going to take you inside to take a look at the interior. Here we are entering through the front entrance. The space is relatively open and inviting. Now you may not be able to tell from the footage here, but there's debris strewn around the house. This house is owned by an investor group. They're holding out for a certain price. Otherwise, I'm told they will go ahead and do the repairs and remodeling themselves. Nice breakfast nook. The house has good bones, to my eye. We're entering in through the side entrance to the kitchen. Nice red tile counters. Cabinetry is nothing special. Oh, look. Lucky quarter. I'm not sure if I should touch that. Gonna have to wash my hands. The sale does include the refrigerator, washer, and dryer. The house is being sold as is. Take what you mean from that. Me, it tells me the owners wanted to put no work into it. As you can see from the debris lying around, they've literally not even lifted a finger to achieve the highest marketable value for this home. There's one of the 4 bathrooms. No mirror. That appears to be an entrance to the side yard. We'll go take a look at that later. Stepping out into the garage now. This is a 3-car garage. What can you expect? It's a garage. That looks to be some kind of old, what is that, an old water heater down there? There's some cabinetry set up for a workspace if the owner does any work in the garage. It looks like some more cabinetry off to this. Nope, that is the water heater. I don't know what this is. And re-entering the house from the garage, there's a little storage area off to the right. This is your typical fall under the stairwell storage area. Lots of vertical space. Okay, we're passing the kitchen off to the right, making our way to, looks like the back entrance of the house. That's right. Got your door to the backyard off to the left, and a full bath off to the right. Now this is curious. They have a full bath downstairs, and I didn't notice any bedrooms on the first floor. Kind of weird setup for typical family, but if this were to be a co-living house or an Airbnb, I could see this being adequate secondary bathroom for everyone to use. We'll actually finish up on the interior before we go outside to the backyard. This house is located on the corner lot of the mouth of a very nice little cul-de-sac. We're looking out one side of that corner. Now we're looking at the backyard again. Beautiful lemon tree. Don't tell anyone, but I might grab a couple of those before I go. Shh. Let's check out the upstairs. Storage closet. Off to the left, a bedroom. This looks like it is the master bedroom. I do like the cathedral ceilings up here. It opens it up nicely on what would otherwise be considered kind of a small master bedroom. Before I speak too soon though, I don't know what the master bathroom looks like. It's pretty sizable. Got some cabinetry, walk-in closet. Okay, that light doesn't want to turn on. But there's ample room in this walk-in closet for a couple. Nothing to write home about, but big enough to stand in and divide up your articles of clothing. This is the master bathroom. Got a standing shower and a toilet with a broken window. If you ask me, these days I am not too encouraged when I hear that a property is owned by a group of investors. Just going to put that out there. Again, we are on the second floor of the house, where presumably all of the bedrooms are. This is the upstairs bath. Okay. That's kind of different. I like it though. We're now entering the first bedroom. Pretty good size. I'd say this is the same square footage as the master bedroom part itself. Got a nice long closet in there. Doors off the rails. Got a nice view of the top of the roof and the empty pool down there. I wonder what kind of organisms are thriving at the bottom of that muck pond. Entering into the next bedroom. It's a little bit smaller on the square footage. Looks like the same size closet. Nice and wide, like it. There's sort of a pseudo landing up here at the top of the stairwell. You could put a couple of chairs, couple of cushion chairs right there. Looks like this was meant to be a bookshelf. Okay, now entering the final bedroom. And it looks like more or less a mirror image of the last bedroom. We have these funky fans in a couple of the bedrooms here. And finally, the utility room, which is located on the second floor. It is somewhat compact. Let's go check out the backyard. We're exiting the main entrance to the backyard. Got a nice view of the household utilities there. This house clearly was not being lived to its full potential by the previous occupants. I am just going to put that out there as well. And more or less looks like it hasn't been occupied in some time. Has a lot of potential though. And that's not just code for buy this piece of crap property. I do think that this house has good bones. I'm evaluating the exterior. Lots of little touch-ups that it needs, like the window frame. Looks like it broke off there. Some sort of countertop. I don't know if that was previously the interior countertop or some sort of exterior bar. Beautiful lemon tree. For someone who wants to pour some love and attention into it, it could be a backyard paradise. Again, we're in Fair Oaks. Fair Oaks has a lot of mature properties, mature homeowners, and overall, pardon me, it is set in a beautiful little community here. This in no way should be characterized as a move-in ready property. We don't mince words here at Franklin West Real Estate or on the premiers.co platform. This house is full of minor problems, which if unattended might prevent a lot of qualified buyers from wanting to even make an offer on the home. From missing counter tiles to broken drawers, creaking doors, holes in walls, lots of unfinished remodeling, I'd say. This house needs someone who wants a blank canvas to work with. And then they could truly transform it according to their own vision and make it their own.